In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video from images using Pictory AI. We're keeping this simple and fast, so by the end you'll have a polished video built from your own files with just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Pictory AI website. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're prompted to continue as a guest or start a trial, just follow the on-screen prompts so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Images to Video. This is the feature designed to turn a collection of files into a seamless video, so go ahead and open it. Now it's time to bring in your content. Click to add your files and select the items you want included in the video. If your project involves images, choose the image files you've prepared. If you also have short clips you want to include, you can select those as well. A quick tip here. Keep your files organized in the order you want them to appear and use clear file names so rearranging is easy if you need it. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and MP4 typically work well, and using similar resolutions will help everything look consistent. If you're working with many files, select them all in one go to save time. When your selection looks right, confirm it by clicking Upload. You'll see a progress indicator while Pictory AI transfers your files. Try to keep your internet connection stable during this step and avoid closing the tab until the upload completes. If something doesn't look correct, you can cancel and reselect before moving forward. With your files uploaded, you're ready to create the video. Pictory AI will usually apply smart defaults such as an aspect ratio that fits your content and smooth transitions between items. Before generating, take a moment to glance over the order of your files and any basic settings shown on screen, especially if you're aiming for a specific platform or orientation. When everything looks good, click Generate. That's the moment Pictory AI assembles your selections into a finished video. Give it a little time to process. Once it's done, you'll see your video ready to play. If you notice anything you want to adjust later, you can always revisit your files and run through the same quick flow again. And that's it. Go to Pictory AI, open Images to Video, upload your files, click Upload, then Generate, and you're done.